Hello, this is a walk around for a spares or repair Renault Scenic 2006 MOT through to May/June 2017. 86,000 miles. I will double check that. The reason she's spares or repair is that she has got a little bit of a noisy top end here. Almost certainly a simple repair for a mechanic. Very good tyres all round. Car's been serviced regularly, and as you can see, the bodywork is in good shape. Ideal family car. This particular model has got two sunroofs on a panoramic roof. Otherwise drives very nicely. Very modern inside. As you can see, I'm sorry, 76,000 miles. I might have said 80 earlier, so not as bad. Very much a family mobile, complete with a setup including child seats, which obviously won't be included. Decent sized boot, and she does clean up very nicely actually. This family has owned the car for quite a long time, and this does represent very good value. Just back to that engine. It sounds a little bit more like a diesel than a petrol because of the top end noise, but I just wanted to give you a quick walk around, have a quick look again so you can see the bodywork. She is in good shape, and as I say, when cleaned up, she's good to go. Drives well, stops well. I don't think the air conditioning is working, I'm told by the owner, and I think the front electric window on the driver's side is currently inoperative. Otherwise she's all okay. I think you can grab a bargain here if you're prepared to drive her as is with a view for some repairs. Thank you.